Welcome to Midnight Signal AI, where we cut through the hype and bring you the latest in artificial intelligence. Smart, fast, and grounded. I'm Alex.
And I'm Jamie. It's February 26th, 2026, and the AI headlines today are all about military ambition, developer dilemmas, and some truly creative uses for local models. Let's jump in.
First up, a major move from the Pentagon. According to CBS News, Pentagon officials have made a best and final offer to Anthropic, aiming for unrestricted military use of their AI systems. This is a big moment. Government partnerships with AI labs are nothing new, but the push for broad, potentially open-ended access to cutting-edge models signals a new phase of AI's role in defense. The details aren't public, but the direction is clear. Military leaders want to leverage commercial AI as fast as possible, and they're willing to put serious resources behind it.
Switching gears, let's talk about the lighter and weirder side of local AI. Over on Hacker News, a developer shared their project, a local AI-powered Ouija board, dubbed Planchette. It uses a fine-tuned 3 billion parameter model to create the illusion of supernatural communication, all running on your own hardware, no cloud required. The code is up on GitHub if you want to peek under the hood or try it at your next party. It's a fun reminder of how accessible and customizable open-source AI models have become.
But it's not all fun and games. For developers working in or with the EU, the AI Act is looming large. A thread on Hacker News is buzzing with questions about compliance. High-risk AI enforcement kicks in August 2026, but some prohibited practices are already enforceable as of last year. Developers are asking, are you preparing or waiting to see how enforcement shakes out? Do the rules make sense or are they stifling innovation? No easy answers, but what's clear is that anyone building AI for European users is facing a new world of documentation, risk management, and regulatory headaches.
Speaking of headaches, let's talk about AI code review. Milvus published a blog exploring how code review gets better when you have models debate each other, pitting Claude, Gemini, Codex, and others head-to-head. The premise, instead of trusting a single model's suggestions, you get a more robust, nuanced review by forcing disagreement and discussion. It's a clever way to leverage the unique strengths and weaknesses of each model, and it hints at the future of collaborative multi-agent AI tooling.
Security is another recurring theme. DL News reports that an AI-powered audit recently uncovered a high-severity bug in Nethermind, a widely used Ethereum client. As decentralized finance continues to grow, so does the attack surface, and automated AI-assisted code review is quickly becoming indispensable for catching subtle, high-risk vulnerabilities before they go live.
On the developer tools front, there's a steady drumbeat of new projects. Stellify, which just launched, promises structured code specifically designed for AI-assisted development. The idea is to make codebases more navigable and easier for AI to understand, potentially reducing hallucinated imports, missed dependencies, and the other common pitfalls of today's AI coding assistants.
And if you've ever been frustrated by AI tools refactoring your code blind, there's Depwire, a dependency graph and management tool to help AI agents refactor with actual context. It's built to solve the endless loop of broken code and wasted tokens that comes from AI assistants starting every session from scratch.
But what about the risks of using AI tools without losing your own skills? Monofav.co published a thoughtful piece on how to leverage AI as an assistant without letting it atrophy your expertise. The key takeaway, stay hands-on, use AI to augment, not replace your problem solving, and make sure you're still thinking critically about the work.
And circling back to the broader debate, John O'Nolan reflects on open source in the age of AI. As models get bigger and more valuable, the open source ethos faces new challenges. Will the next generation of AI tools remain open, or will commercial interests lock things down? It's a tension that's only going to intensify as more money and power flows into the AI ecosystem.
A couple of quick hits before we wrap up. Tech Explorer asks whether AI could help society become less selfish by nudging us toward more pro-social decisions. And the Cicero Institute has drafted a model bill for regulating AI doctors, aiming to lay out standards for AI-driven medical services. Both stories highlight how AI isn't just about code. It's about ethics, law, and how we shape our future.
That's it for today's Midnight Signal AI. If you want to dig deeper, all the links are in the show notes. Whether you're shipping code, shaping policy, or just experimenting with Ouija boards, the AI landscape is changing fast, and we'll be here every night to help you make sense of it.
Thanks for listening. Be sure to subscribe for sharp, no-fluff AI coverage. Until next time, good night from Midnight Signal AI.